Welcome to our spring garden tour. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of naturalistic planting and sharing some easy tips and tricks for creating a beautiful, vibrant garden that feels like a slice of nature right in your backyard. As you can see, naturalistic planting is all about embracing the beauty of the natural world. It's about creating a space that's not just visually stunning, but also attracts wildlife and fosters a sense of peace and harmony. 1. Choose native plants. One of the best tips for naturalistic planting is to choose native plants. These are plants that are well suited to your local climate and soil conditions, which means they require less maintenance and water. Plus, they provide food and shelter for local wildlife, like birds and butterflies. 2. Embrace diversity. Diversity is key to a naturalistic garden. Mix different types of plants, including flowers, shrubs, and grasses, to create layers of texture and color. This not only looks beautiful, but also supports a healthy ecosystem. 3. Plant in groups. Instead of planting single specimens, try planting in groups or drifts. This mimics how plants grow in the wild and creates a more natural and cohesive look. Plus, it makes maintenance easier since plants with similar needs are grouped together. 4. Use mulch wisely. Mulch is your garden's best friend. It helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and adds nutrients to the soil as it breaks down. Opt for organic mulches like shredded leaves or bark chips for a natural touch. 5. Incorporate water features. Adding a water feature, no matter how small, can elevate your garden to a whole new level. It not only attracts birds and other wildlife, but also creates a soothing ambiance. Just make sure to maintain it regularly to prevent stagnant water. 6. Practice sustainable gardening. Sustainability is key in naturalistic planting. Compost kitchen scraps and yard waste to create nutrient-rich soil amendments. Avoid synthetic fertilizers and pesticides that can harm beneficial insects and pollinators. 7. Let nature take its course. Finally, don't be afraid to let nature take its course. Allow plants to self-seed and let some areas of your garden grow a bit wild. This not only reduces maintenance, but also encourages a more diverse ecosystem. And there you have it, our tips and tricks for naturalistic planting. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, incorporating these ideas can help you create a stunning and eco-friendly garden that's bursting with life. Thanks for joining us on this journey through our spring garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.